Hello. Hello. Hi, Aarti ma'am. Hi, Devi ma'am. Please turn on your cameras. Hello. Am I audible? You can unmute yourself. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. So, have you joined the group today only?
Yeah, for the
Oh,
first time. Yeah.
okay. So, you got the chance to explore the website, Find. Were you able to explore the website?
No, actually,
Okay.
I
Okay.
just joined a few minutes before, like a few hours before.
Okay. Okay. All right. Avantika ma'am, can you please turn on your camera?
Ma'am, I have major network issues, so if I turn on the camera, I won't be able to catch anything what you are saying.
That's okay. That's okay. You can just be available. So have you gone to your
Oh yes, ma'am.
to the website?
Yes, yes, I visited the website, but I couldn't
Mhm.
understand. Is it like my purpose for joining this was that I wanted to upload my product.
Okay.
So I don't know what exactly this is for.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
me too, actually. Can you explain what is it about, actually?
sure. So we have created this platform, Find. The name is Find because here you will be able to find either right people for your help, and either you will be able to find clients for yourself. If you being mother or youth, we need some platform where we should be able to put our skills. Right? Currently in the group, I created the group and I was so happy to see everyone was sharing their skills. They were creating their messages and they were sharing, but is every information available within these messages? You have to type it every time, and it is not, you know, someone visits the message and then it is gone, right? You need something which is permanent, where if the customers are visiting a complete page. So this website is actually, it is going to be your face to the to your market. It is actually that. So you can create your online e-store and it is free of cost. It is actually one of the startups by Artjio only. We have been working on Artjio's growth, and now we have created this platform for mothers so that they can have the platform where they can list out their skills. Because if you go to the professional markets, there are many professional markets also, like freelancing websites are there. And if you create products, for example, you are into crochet or you create some products, you need to have proper branding if you want to get it listed on Blinkit, let's say, or Amazon, on Facebook, sorry, Flipkart. You need to have proper documentation, but that is very difficult to do, right? So that is why here on Find, you can get everything, like whatever you're creating, or if you can convert your hobbies into your income just by listing it, just by sharing it with others. So this is all about that. So can you tell me about your professions one by one so we can discuss that how it can be helpful for you? That would help. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm a neurologist. I do coaching. I
Okay.
also do meditation training.
Meditation training.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you since how long you're doing it?
I'm doing it for past 3 years.
Okay. Okay. All right. And Devi ma'am, what about you?
Yeah, I'm into this arts and crafts, actually. Uh,
Art and craft. Okay.
yeah. I do MDF paintings and customized gifts and return gifts.
Wow. Wonderful.
Silk jewelry quilling, but I also have a page, but
Hmm?
I'm not able to sell many products. Like there's no contact or reach.
Yeah.
So as you can see, yeah.
This is the problem we all are facing actually. We don't have the network. We don't have a place where
Mm.
people can visit us. That is why we created this platform. If you noticed, you have joined the group recently, but earlier, yesterday what was happening in the group, everyone was sharing about their skills, and few of the people from the group, they were saying, I'm interested for your product. It this is what was happening, like sellers becoming the buyers actually, because you are offering something but you would be needing help for something, right? So
Yeah.
maybe Sridevi ma'am would might need Avantika ma'am to get your astrology fixed. You never know, right?
Yeah.
So this is actually what we are trying to create. So you can create. Okay, so I'll come to Avantika ma'am. You are taking astrology classes, right? Now you are taking one-to-one classes, or you take classes in group.
One to one, ma'am. Mostly one to one.
One-to-one.
Yeah, max to max 5 people.
Okay, okay. So for one-to-one, you must be charging higher, and for group classes, you must be charging little lower, right?
No, ma'am, it is actually the same. It is not that much difference.
Okay, okay. All
Yeah.
right. Let me share my screen so that I can share it with like how you can get it listed here. Okay. Can you see my screen? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So here, when you come to sell, see here, different products, services, these all are listed by few of our team members because we are just getting started. So they all have listed their interest and whatever they create. So now you can come to sell option. Now we have three different kind of listings available. First is you can either sell your products. Products means anything physical that you are giving it to someone. Okay. Services means like astrology services that you're offering. And Devi ma'am, you have products, and Avantika
Yes.
ma'am, you will be having the services. And when you are talking about one to one, like consultancy, or suppose you're a doctor and you want to give consultancy one to one, then it would be one to one sessions. Okay, so three different kind of products. Now if we come to the products, there are two kind of products we have. So the first one is the physical product. Physical product is you created something, you get it shipped to someone's place, right? And e-products are actually you create a maybe ebook, you have written your book, practice sheets and courses, anything that you digital thing that you want to that is downloadable or shareable. So that is the digital product. Now in this platform, because we understand that mothers are not very tech friendly, right? They're not smart. So first of all, this website is SEO friendly. Now what does it mean? It means that it will help you listing your products on Google. So after 1 year or 2 year, when your profile has got enough of the visits, your product would actually start listing on Google. It has that efficiency, right? But suppose you are sharing your brochure or your message, it does not have that capacity. Okay. So now let's come to the physical product. Now I want to say that uh, I create art and craft products customized. You
Yeah.
just have to, you can voice type. You just have to let it know that what do you create actually. Now it will suggest you the headings. You don't have to type, or some typing mistakes can be there, or maybe it does not look that professional. So you can actually select from here. So I will select this. Now I can select my category. Maybe handmade. Then I can select my price. Now we have set up a free product also. Now free product is something called freebie. Okay. For example, I used to run a cloud kitchen. I used to be so much interested in cooking healthy food. So I started at my home. And what I did, I started actually delivering small samples of my product within my society. So people tasted that, they tried. All those who booked for it, they tried it, and then they started actually purchasing my products because they were able to taste it once, right? So this is actually for trial purpose. It is called freemium model. If you have been the student of Artjio, we use it in our classes also, that we offer free services. Once you like the service, you will already enroll, right? So this is how this is the model that works very well. So that's why we have infused it here. So you can either go for free if it is a small sample, or you can make it paid. Let's say I want to charge 599 rupees. Now you can select if it is per item per kg, you can select as per your need. And if it is like maybe it is a painting, so you can just add the size accordingly. Then you want to sell it to local audience or pan India. If you are able to deliver it to pan India, good. If you think that no, I want to deliver only to my local area, it can be food also. Like you are very good at making dosa and you just want to sell that within your locality, okay? So you can just select within like local audience, okay? Now, for delivery we have given different options. So first is you can select your region, like city and the area. So I'm from Agra Tajganj, okay, I have selected it from here. Now this option is delivery in selected area. So when I was running my cloud kitchen, I was not having anyone to deliver, but I was having my house help. So I made the delivery free within my society, so my society could order. So this is actually for that. So for example, you want to set up some areas which are very easily accessible for you. So you can actually add, for example, Prem Nagar. Okay, so you can add it as the list. So this list would be available when someone will book your product. They will be able to select their, if you're sharing, suppose you have created your page and or product and you have shared it in your society's group, you can order it from here. So they can select. They'll be able to see ki, oh, okay, our society name is there. They can just select the list and they can order it with you. Okay. And if you think that delivery is like 5 kilometers, 2 kilometers away, so you can select the delivery charges as well. Okay. You can ask questions. If you have any questions, you can just unmute yourself and ask. Is it clear till now?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, okay. And other options that we have is delivery in nearby areas. Okay, so from here you can select if you want that I want to deliver 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer. And these days Ola deliveries, many delivery options are there, like Rapido is also there. So you can actually mention that how much you want to charge. Okay, like paid delivery, you can mention. So when someone would be putting the order na, they will see all of this information. They'll be able to select that from where they are. It would be like half of the communication is already sorted for you. Okay. And your repeated clients, they don't have to disturb you every time. They can just curate their order and send it to you. Okay. Now, delivery in Pan India. Here you can select a range. If it is a paid delivery, you can select that range. And for free delivery, you can just mention that what is the, suppose for example, you say that if you're purchasing for more than 2000 rupees, delivery would be free. So you can just mention it here. And if you want that people should come and pick up from your place, you can select that also. So as per your requirement, you can just select it accordingly. Okay, now we have, okay, so now the picture is also an issue that, we should have a nice picture of our product. So if you think it is something like, kind of common product, like eatables or something, you can upload the picture or you can generate the picture also. So here the button is given and you can generate up to 10 images, I think 10 images you can generate every day for free in this. And one more thing I want to make very clear in the beginning that it is not charging any commissions. So this platform payment is not going through the platform. You will be uploading your QR code and payment options and customer would be paying directly to you. Okay. So this is not a place where we are taking the guarantee of sellers. We are not saying that we have authenticated this person, we have verified this person. No, we are saying that this person is available. You can talk with them, you meet them maybe on video call once you have the trust, then it is we are just helping you to meet your customers and your required people. Okay, so it is all about that. So now you can just let it know that image, it has created this craft image because we gave it accordingly. You can generate your image. If you have your videos of the product, like Avantika ma'am, you will be having you can actually share your videos, YouTube videos or your YouTube channel. You can actually add it here. So along with your product, this video would also be available. Okay, then you can, this is an optional option. Then you can come here now, like Shridevi ma'am, whatever you have created in the past, you can create one product for each. You don't have to have the stock. Okay. You don't have to like prepare everything in advance, just like we do it in a shop. Actually, what you can do is you can add the option of made to order. Like you can say that I will be making
That's
it
nice.
fresh when you are ordering it to me. है ना?
Uh,
And then you can just mention that I will take 3 days. So it you have to put in here the total number of creation date and the delivery date. You can made it here. Whenever you receive the order, then you buy the material and then you make it. And if you think you have, like, if you have the stock, you can always put that also along with the quantity. So it is all about that. And now the final thing. Now it is saying that craft. So resin artworks. Now this option is here you have to give any 5 specifications of your product. How you have made it, what technology you have made. Is it a maybe what kind of product it is? Any 5 specifications. So can you suggest some of the specifications here?
Like handmade, we can say.
Yeah, handmade and custom orders.
Specific type of arts like mandala or Madhubani art,
Folk arts available.
folk arts. Yes.
Sorry?
Folk arts only I was saying.
Yeah, yeah, okay. And custom orders. Okay. So 3 points are compulsory, last two are optional. So you have to input all the information that you have about it into this. Okay. Now it will create a description also for you. See, whatever you have written here, it will create a description and you can add more ideas also. So you can actually select any of them. If you like this one, you can just, okay, so your it would use your points and it would generate a description itself to put online. Now this description is also SEO optimized. These are the technical things that these websites do to list their website on the platform. And these are very difficult things, even for technical people also. These are not easy. You need to have an SEO expert to do that actually, but here it would be done by AI. And then your product is ready to publish, you can directly publish your product. Okay, this is how it would go. Now let us talk about, do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, we can clear that. Yeah.
Actually, how to register for this? How to register for this?
You
How to get into this?
Okay, so this is the website link. I have already shared it in the description also. I will share it
Okay.
in the group. You can register for free. You can just come here, create your profile, and start listing your products. It is
Oh,
that simple. Okay.
nice.
And there is an option to duplicate the products also when you come to your listings. Okay, this certificate appears when you are verified. So when you create your profile, it asks you to input all your information and publish any 3 listings. Once you have done that, you get the verified badge. Okay, so this
Okay.
certificate would appear. You can share it. It would have your products actually. These are 3 of my products which I created. So it shows my certificate. So inside the listing option in the profile, if you come to the listing now, you will see this duplicate option also. So once you have created your one product, you can just duplicate it, edit it, and just edit the main information. You don't have to create the product every time from scratch.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is how it works. Now let us come to the services option. Okay. Astrology classes, professional astrology, or you're taking, ma'am, you're taking online, or you're on mute. You can unmute yourself.
Yes, online classes, ma'am. It is numerology.
Oh, numerology. Okay. Numerology. Okay. Professional numerology workshops and training. Okay. You can select any of them. If your category is not there, you can select others. And then you can actually charge. Say that is it per hour or per session, per month? If you're charging per month, suppose you're, how much, ma'am? What is your fees?
Ma'am, for now we can take per session 500.
Per session. Okay. So per hour it is, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so 500 rupees you want to charge per hour. Okay, now you visit the customer, customer visits you, or it is online? It is online
Online.
payment. Yes, okay. So you have three different options for services because see, like I hired a tutor for my daughter. So she's coming to my place. So we can do it accordingly.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, next, now you have to like, mention whether it is a one-time job or it is ongoing. Like your classes are ongoing or it is like,
Ongoing.
ongoing. So you
Yeah.
regular. Now, when you select the regular option, there are multiple options given here. Whether it is daily, okay, weekly you can select the number of days. Suppose Sunday you are not taking the class, or maybe you are taking just 2 days a week. So you can select that. And monthly, like 3 sessions a month, 2 sessions a month. So you can just mention how many days and time slots accordingly. You can add the time slots here. And then you can, for now, I'll select one time. Sorry. Okay, now here it is asking, this is optional, that how many days does it take to complete? If it is actually, this option is applicable for freelancing kind of jobs, like I'll do your
Hmm.
designing or something. So you can use that. If you're taking classes, then it is not required. Again, you can like add, uh, please suggest me some points. Numerology,
Okay.
I'm
So,
clueless here.
yeah, we can write mobile,
Sorry, you're not audible.
mobile numerology, name.
Mobile numerology, name corrections. I have heard this online.
Yeah.
Okay.
Name. Yes. Name.
Sorry, you're not clearly
And
audible.
crystals.
Crystals.
Crystals. Actually, I am on the roadside of my house, so here
That's
the
okay.
disturbance.
Uh, no problem. And Vastu. I can add Vastu also. And we can add
Yeah.
experience of 5 years.
And weak examples.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. So it has
Yantra,
created
ma'am. Yantra.
a customized description.
Hmm.
Gem gems. I have just written, okay.
Yes.
So it will customize it accordingly for you. Okay. You can just select it. You can go to next. Now, if you have your, I will suggest you to add your pictures here. Okay. But if you don't have, then you can
Okay.
always use AI to generate pictures for you. So it will use your description, your title, and then generate an image for you. And we are
Okay.
still, this is actually the first version of this application. We are still improvising it. So maybe we can come up with even better, features in upcoming days based on your feedback. You can always share your feedback also, that this can be improvised or this is not working properly. You can just let us know. So we will improvise it accordingly. It has generated this image. Okay. You can add your videos here and then you can publish your services. Okay. And same in the same way, you can add your one-on-one sessions also. So multiple options are there for one-on-one. I'll quickly go through this also. Doctor consultation services, health and fitness. Now, if it is online or in person, we can decide it is online. Then I can just select. यहाँ पे ना we have different options that you can actually add different packages. Like for 30 minutes, I'll charge this much. For 45 minutes or 1 hour, I'll charge this much. And for a group of these 3 sessions, 5 sessions, I'll charge this much. So you can actually customize your plans accordingly from here. So they can select that which plan they want to take. You can add more packages from here. Okay, so we have this option also here, and accordingly you can, now you have to add the time slot. For example, 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. So it has picked up for all the days. See, but now you can just change it. If you want to change for any of the days, you can just change it accordingly. This all is editable. Now again, the same thing, you have to put the description, generate the title, thumbnail, and you are good to go. Okay, so this is how it would work. Now, is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll show you that how your product would look like. So one of the mother, she has uh, put her classes here. So she has maybe she's taking one-on-one sessions only. So people can contact you in two ways. They can either contact you directly, they can send you a message if they want to have a conversation with you before making a booking, right? Or they want to book directly. For example, someone already knows you, right? Or they are making like they have already done booking in past. So then this is the message that we have written here, that we are not liable for if you say that, oh, this person was not good, so we are not liable for that. We are just building up a connection, and you give the services only when you trust the person, and no payments are going through us, so that is why we are not liable. So it is the message. And then we have added here, you can just select, like she's taking online classes or in person, both. She must be taking both, so you can just decide. Then you can select the day and time. She has added this time slot only, and the amount, and you can continue. Here you have to upload your payment screenshot. Like, if you want to make the payment also and confirm the booking, you have to upload the payment. Here she has not uploaded her screenshot yet, but here her screenshot would appear. So you have to make the payment here, upload the screenshot, and once the screenshot is uploaded and it would check the screenshot, then it would proceed you to the booking. Or if you want to just make the booking without making the payment, that is also fine. That is actually your mutual understanding. You can talk with the person directly. So this is how the booking would look. So she will receive a booking within her messages in the inbox. Okay, you can later on change the booking also, or if you want to see the details, you can just now she can respond from here. Okay, one more feature we have added here is a chatbot. If you are not available, the chatbot is there to chat on your behalf. Okay, so she's saying, hi, I'm Mamta Sharma's assistant. They are currently away. Hi, I want to book her classes. So chatbot would be talking on your behalf if you are not available. Okay, so see, she has sent the message here. The chatbot has sent this message. So it would actually take all the details from the client. And when you come online, so you will already have the details. It will save your time also. We are still improvising this actually, and we are trying to make it even more better. But for now also, it is working fine. And And exactly the same way you can search for people also. Like if you need someone, you can always search here and you can have conversation with them, whatever you need. Okay, so this is how this is all about it. So first of all, I want to talk with other members also. Pooja ma'am, Amrita ma'am, and Drishti ma'am. Please turn on your cameras. So please share your feedback. Do you think that it can be helpful for you?
First we have to implement, then only I can say something. Even
Okay.
I make those Madhubani paintings, and I was searching for it.
Hmm.
And Drishti is my daughter's name, and she also has joined this Artjio classes. So
Okay.
in that group you posted today, so I
Hmm.
was thinking of this, and we say na, I was manifesting, and it came to
You
me.
know,
So try. Hmm.
okay, how many of you know Leena ma'am? You all must be knowing her, right?
Not personally, but yes, she only takes our classes. No?
Yeah, so she's my mother. And we both,
Oh,
it's been, yeah, so it's been our dream, even when there was a time when she also wanted to do, because she was very creative and she also wanted to do this kind of stuff. Allow me for a minute. Sorry, I just noticed my laptop was about to die. Okay, so she, earlier she also wanted to find a platform like this. And since then, because, we wanted to create something where mothers should be able to, because they have a lot of talent, but they do not have any platform where they can actually showcase it. And because of lack of knowledge also, because these days things have grown in such a way that it is not easy also to reach to that level. You're like, you have giants in the market.
True.
Yeah. All right. So you have got some idea that how it can help. One more option is there I want to show you, which can be very helpful actually. Uh, okay. So this is the home. This is actually the mobile version of this. Just a minute. Can you see my screen now? So
Yes, ma'am.
here we have an option which is AI suggest. Here you can actually explore. We have already added a lot of options here for housewives, for students. So when you click here, and suppose you don't have any idea what to do, you really don't know about it, okay, so you can simply come here and explore. If you're very good at cooking, you can actually explore. It has given a lot of ideas. And suppose you like this idea that, okay, I want to, so you can actually click on the create button, and it would directly lead you to the creation page. Okay, see, now see, your form is already filled, and uh, I can serve South Indian meals. Now I have just added my idea, and it would autofill the entire form for me. Now I can generate the AI image also with this. So it has generated an image. It has selected my category also. It has added the, you know, title. Then it has suggested the price also. And you can just edit it also. Okay. Customers visit me, or you want to deliver, you can just make it as per your need. Currently it has selected services, but it would actually come in products because it is a product that would be delivered. So you can select the option here, and it would change the options. Now you have the delivery options available. Okay. And you can just mention the quantity, and you can directly publish. So this is actually a faster way of creating this these listings, right? And another option is here, the suggested ones. Another option is for you. Now you have to talk with it. It will just ask you that, okay, I can write, I am a student. Now it is asking me my top skills: basic computer knowledge, art and craft, Canva, and designing softwares. Okay, what I'm best at? I can create basic graphics using Canva. And now I will click on explore opportunities, and it will create customized jobs for me. So it will suggest me that what kind of jobs I can actually put in. Okay, so see, it has suggested a lot of jobs: handmade greeting cards, customized phone cases, DIY, and different kind of, it suggests the products also, it suggests the services also, basic graphic designing, social media post creation. And when I'll click on these buttons, they will lead me to the same form, and I'll be able to create these products directly. Okay, so this option is also very helpful. It can actually help you figuring it out that how to use this and how it can be helpful for you. There are multiple things actually we have infused, you can explore. So from my end, this is it. You can just let me know if you have any questions or feel free to ask.
Like,
Ma'am,
how is this?
nobody does it without taking any platform charges.
Sorry.
Nobody actually does it without taking any platform or basic charges.
Yeah, you must be wondering that why we are doing it, like if we are not charging. So this platform is going to be chargeable, but we will not charge for project basis. All the platforms are charging the commission, but we don't want to do that. We actually don't want to get into that. That is difficult to manage. And we do not have a large team, right, to manage. And because if we are managing the payments, that means we are taking the guarantee of sellers, and we don't want to do that. So that is why we are not doing it, but we will be unlocking more features at the cost. For example, you are generating 10 images for free, but we will add a package here where if you want to generate maybe 30 images, you will have to buy that. And one more thing, that in future we are planning that you can run ads on this. So there would be a way to run ads. So, for example, you want that your ad should be visible in your society. So anybody who has added the location as this society, it would be visible to their homepage that, okay. So we will be earning little bit out of that. But that is actually the later case. For now, we are just getting the audience. So there are multiple ways of earning, not just actually, I'll tell you from the brand's perspective, you are the product here. That is why we can't charge from you. We will be charging from someone else who has the bigger money. It is as simple as that. Okay.
Like, how is this different from Insta page? Like,
How
I
is it
post it
different?
there, so
Mhm.
nobody is accessing there. So how can people access this website?
You see, you are posting on Instagram is already a community, but
Yeah.
this platform is actually only for those who want to offer the services or accept the services. Instagram is for everyone. Like, it is a general platform. That is a social media platform. This website is not a social media platform. This is only for the ones
Services.
who want to grow. Yeah. So you can't pass your time here. Like, you can't time pass here scrolling. You can explore, but you will be
Mm.
getting some ideas. Like, Pinterest. Pinterest is specially known to build up your creativity, to ignite your creativity. It is for that. And our target
Actually,
audience is clearly mothers and youth for now. Yes, Vinaya ma'am.
actually, I have joined the late. So if you are already solved the query, but I have the query key to verify the account. Is it necessary to completed it 100% and how to verify it from whom?
Okay.
We need to
Uh,
share the link.
right. So actually, verifying is important because if I just showed when I was sharing my screen, sellers have not added their QR code. Now, how
Okay.
someone would be able to make you payment if you
Acha,
have not
acha.
added your QR code? Or actually, verification process means you have ensuring that you have added all the necessary information, which is
Oh,
actually required for buyers.
oh,
That
got
is
it.
why that is why it is important. If you are verified customer, like, as we will promote it further, we all know. Now, when the product appears and you see that this is a verified customer, you will visit them first because
Oh,
they have complete information and you will be able to trust them more.
okay.
Okay.
And once we fulfill all the requirements that all the things, then it will automatically verified by you or
Yeah. It would verify automatically. It is done by AI assistant actually. So AI would be checking your profile. It is just making sure it is actually you don't have to upload your ID proof or something. You don't have to do that. You just have to add your information that you want to be visible for your customers,
okay.
that information only. And you can turn on I will suggest to turn on your WhatsApp messaging at least, if not
Okay.
calling, because that if suppose you're not getting time to check the application, so you can always get your customers on WhatsApp at least, so they can
Mhm.
directly WhatsApp you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what is this about onboard new users? Target 49 more.
Yeah, okay, so this is work from home service. because we are promoting, and we do not, frankly saying, we do not have a large budget. So what we are doing is we want, now you have created your profile, okay, and you have verified it. Now you know the process. Now you can share it with others, anybody whom you think that they want to list their website also, and it can be helpful for them. Okay. Like, if I will be very clever while doing it. How I would do it, I will be actually sharing it with my customers, like who can be my potential customers. I'll tell them, okay, you also list, because like, they will come across my profile also. You can
Okay.
actually do it this ways. You can help them creating their profile, but at the same time, they are looking at your profile. They will be very careful while looking at your profile, and it might ring up to them. So this is how I would do if I'll do it. So 49 of your maybe customers or potential customers, you can share, or anyone you want, you think that they can do it, get their profiles verified. Okay, one more important thing I skipped. I'll share it.
Without
How?
this, it will not be registered, right? If I don't get the
Sorry.
49 target, my
Sorry.
account will not be registered. The 49 target is there, right?
No, no,
Target
no.
of 49.
Anyone can do it. Okay, I'll show you. Was just a minute. So this is a work from home job that we have created to get more users on board on the platform. Okay, my screen is not visible, right?
Yeah.
So this would be visible on your. Okay. When you come here, you see a wallet
Mhm.
option, right? This is actually credits that we are offering. Later on, you'll be able to use it to unlock your services. Like, just like money, you can actually use it to unlock your maybe to run your ads in future, or to unlock the extra features that we currently we do not have any paid features in this, but later on we will be having, which you can unlock and you can take the benefits of these credits. Okay, now you have to come here, referral. Now this is my code and this is my link. I have to share it. When you actually want to do this work from home job, you have to share it using this link. And when you share it, it has your code. So any one who has registered using your link, it would start appearing here in your dashboard. You can actually see that who has registered using your link. And here in the referral, it would show the verified. So we want to see here 49 and one your profile. It will become 50. Okay. So once you have the 50, you have introduced 50 people, we will open up a payout for you for 1,000 rupees.
That's
Okay.
only
So
for payout,
yes, that you will
not for
go.
registration.
Yes, that is actually you're helping us to grow further. That is
Yeah,
why.
yeah.
That is the work from home job. There is no time foundation for it. You can just do it and you can share the screenshot. We will just quickly verify it and we will send you the money. Okay. So this is all for that. And there is a very simple way of doing it. Actually, a couple of mothers are already trying to get 49 customers. So you don't have to, you can simply share the link of the website, ask them to create the account. They will create the account and then they will get stuck somewhere maybe to get it verified. But because you have got your profile already verified and you have detailed and like about it, right? So now you will be able to do it. You will be able to help them getting it verified. So this ways half of your work would be simplified. You don't have to create their account and everything. Let them do it. Then you help where they get stuck. And to get your account verified, when you will click here on the profile button, you will see here is the profile. Okay. So there are multiple options. This is actually, we have designed the portfolio profile in such a way that it becomes your resume. We really want that youth should be able to get jobs from here. So they can actually add their skills, their education. You can add your video also. If you have work experience, personal, and your payment option, this is very important. You have to add your payment option. Currency option is like already set up for us, and this is the credits option. So you can turn it off if you don't want to, if you want to accept credits. For example, you in future you want to run ads and you will be needing credits for that. So you can turn on the credits for that case. So that would save your money and that would give your customers a discount also. But if you don't want, you can turn it off. That's your choice completely. So this is how you can just set up your profile and get started with it. Is there any other doubts?
Ma'am, the only way to get the green,
Sorry, you're not audible.
ma'am, the only way to get the green tick is when 50 people are verified. I mean, when they join through us, right?
No, 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 no. You get verified by adding your details.
Okay. And after getting that green tick, only
Yeah.
then our profile will be visible to others.
No, no, no. Your profile is still visible. If you have listed a product, your profile would be visible. Your products will be
Mhm.
visible. Here, there is no option to
Okay.
make your profile visible. Your products are visible. Okay.
Okay.
So your products are still visible. I'll show you the
Mhm.
difference. There is a difference how the uh, verified products are visible and how non-verified products are visible.
Mhm. Yeah, trying to leave
Okay.
actually.
See, the tick is there. Now this seller is not verified, but this seller is verified. Okay, so you know exactly that, okay, this seller, now
So the
she is,
green tick means more reliable.
yeah, it means that here on your profile, now this is how your profile would look like. You can actually share this. This is your page. You can share this page on social media, everywhere you can share, and people will be able to visit your services. This means she has added all her information. Her information is completed.
Okay.
Because see, if a person has made a fake profile, you can't add all the details. Like it is asking for your little bit about your background also, how much you can fake.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is asking for good 10 details that you have to add, and so it will start showing that ways.
All right, ma'am.
Yeah.
And ma'am,
Any
we can create multiple things like listings. Suppose,
so
like how I do, I take numerology consultations plus I do multiple other things as well. So
yeah,
we can.
you can actually create multiple services. In your case, you are taking astrology service. So what you can do is you can create a group session. You can set up a time for that. You can open up your one-to-one sessions and you can
Okay.
set up a time for that. You can also group your sessions. For example, you sell the bundle of 3 classes or 5 classes at little discounted price. So this ways you can actually create a lot of products.
Okay.
Okay. And okay, one more thing. For example, now she has created this product. Okay, here she has added 3 products. Don't do that. Add one product in because here in the products there is an option to add them to cart. Now the seller would be confused and buyer would also be confused, right? That which one you are selling. So add only one product. You can add maybe different images but of the same product. When you add, then the cart option appears, and from here they can directly make the payment and they can buy your products from here. Okay, so and when you share, for example, now she wants to, for example, you are sharing your Instagram page. Okay, you can share that. But here, when you're sharing or you're sharing your profile on your social media, on your status, you can always put this along with an image that this is my website, visit my website, and they can come. So, anybody who is interested in your products will actually get complete information about you. It would help you there because your message or just image does not help that ways, and from here even if they are interested they can make the booking also from here. So this is actually your website. The difference between your social media account and this is that this is your professional website. Social media's account is for socializing. You can get customers from there also, obviously,
Ma'am, is it just a website or there is an app also?
Currently, it is a website, but you can save it on your homepage as like on mobile's homepage. I have also saved it. So here I have added this, and okay. So it says that you have to click on the share button. There is some say share button you will be able to see near this link, and there you can click to add to home screen, and this ways you will be able to add it.
Okay.
And one more important thing, that you can always once in a while you can click on this green button. The application is still improving every day. Every day we are improvising it, fixing the bugs or adding new features. So to get all of these updates, you don't have to you update the application, but here you have to just click on this. So when you click on this, it will restart your application.
Ma'am, when I was trying to post my listing,
Hmm?
it did not ask me for any payment link. How will my client pay me? They
Uh,
will contact me only on WhatsApp, and then there I would talk to them and book. Is it?
yes, yes. It
Then it
must
will
have.
not show on this website, no, ma'am?
Sorry.
See, if they are booking with me on WhatsApp, then it will not show on website that somebody has booked a session with me or something like that.
Yeah, for that, actually, on website, currently it cannot send you the booking on WhatsApp, but it can send
Okay.
you a message on WhatsApp. To receive the bookings, it can be done only on the platform for now.
Okay.
Yeah, that I think that would also be a paid feature, because we will also be paying for what to WhatsApp for sending you this kind of messages. That would be one of our paid features later on. Currently, we have
Okay.
not added it. That to receive notifications on your WhatsApp from your app.
Okay, ma'am. So
Yeah.
right now, anybody who likes it, they will connect with us and they ask anything to us. It is only through WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah. Only through WhatsApp, or you can add your calling number also. If you have your calling number, you can add that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am, I need to leave, ma'am. Yeah.
Sorry.
I need to leave right now.
Sure, sure. That's okay,
Yeah, I need
ma'am.
to pick my kids. Yeah.
Yeah. I hope it was helpful. My camera is gone. I don't know why.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I'll look into it further.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll get back to you. Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining. Anyone else who has some doubts? If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. If not, we will wind up. You can message me also in the chats.
No, ma'am, no doubts. And thank you so much. It's like a blessing.
I really hope so, that if it works as a blessing, because we really wanted that it should help out.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Please try and keep putting your feedback on the group.
Sure, sure, definitely.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining.